If you're ready to launch a text-based marketing campaign, it's important to understand the SMS Marketing Basics that you'll need to succeed. Perhaps the most important part of SMS marketing is to remember that you need to have permission to text your customers or prospects. Getting their permission starts with a keyword used to opt in. It should be short, easy to remember, and associated with your product or service. These keywords can also be used to sort customers and prospects into lists of interest that will be primed for targeted, customized promotions and marketing efforts. The next feature of text message marketing is a toll-free 10-digit long code. These allow businesses to send large quantities of text communications quickly. In some cases, you may want to set up a double opt-in procedure by asking individuals who text a keyword to your business for a confirmation reply. This can increase engagement and reduce spam reports. From time to time, you may have subscribers who wish to stop receiving SMS messages from your business. It is critical to include simple opt-out instructions such as texting stop. Setting up automatic replies is also an important feature of SMS marketing, so you can establish a pattern of engagement between you and your subscriber list early in the process. Ready to put those SMS marketing basics into practice? Sign up for a Dial My Calls account and start a free trial today.